Okay, what we have here is a classic WJEC question on recipes. So what you have to do is scan the table, take a look at the headers which tell us how many items this recipe is cooking for, and we've got 8 pancakes, 16 pancakes, 80 pancakes. So the second column is going to be double whatever the first column is, and the third column is going to be the first column times 10. So let's work our way down the table. So what we know is for flour, if 100 grams is needed for 8 pancakes, 16, as we said, would be double it, so we're talking 200 grams. Okay, let's jump down to the milk. Right, they've given us how much milk is needed for 80 pancakes. Well, 8 pancakes is 10 times less, so if we divide this number by 10, that will give us 250 millilitres needed for 1 pancake. Then for the 16 pancakes, which is double the 8 pancakes, we would double the 250, giving us 500 millilitres. So the final entry in the table, we're looking at raspberries. They've given us 8 pancakes is 150 grams, and because 80 pancakes is 10 times as much, times this number by 10, and that's going to give us 1,500 grams. There is a part B to this question which says write down the ratio of the weight of flour to the weight of raspberries in its simplest form. So I'm going to start off with the 8 pancakes, and I'm looking for the flour initially. So flour was 100 grams, and then I'm looking for raspberries, which was 150 grams. Now looking at these two numbers, I can see that they can be both divided by 50. So if I was to divide both these by 50, I would get 2 50s making 100 and 3 50s making 150. So that's the simplest form of this ratio.